This week we are working with C# properties, and so you are going to want to start with the key point lecture. There is going to be a link for a video. I just haven't added it yet. And the video will go through everything that is in that key point lecture, including the coding examples. Then, once you finish that, you are going to go through the Code Easy exercises, and you do not need to do exercise 9. I felt that the instructions were not complete, and so I thought that that was just going to be too difficult without the complete instructions, so you can skip that one. And then I do have some hints for some of the other ones, so you may want to open up the hints and print those out because I think they will help you moving forward and completing them. And then once you're done, you're going to take a screenshot of that dashboard and submit that. And because I'm not requiring the crimes in Wonderland, there are 8 exercises that are required. Okay, and so this is the point breakdown based on a maximum of 8. Then you will have your lab assignment. And the lab assignment is actually pretty short. I just finished the video for the instructions, so that will be linked in here. And then you can see it's just 2 programs. The assignment itself is fairly short, and the video explains what you need to do. Then we get into the discussion. And so this is another research question, and it's for basically the second half of the semester. So anything from lesson 8 through lesson 14. Okay, anything that you are maybe confused about or that you want to look into, you can certainly use those for this exercise. So you want to research a concept from the second half of the course. And again, that is from lesson 8 through lesson 14. Summarize what you learned in the research, post a link to the site, and then you're going to read your classmates' postings and reply to a couple of those. Okay, and I like these research discussions because you can basically share what you've learned with each other. And it also gives me an idea of different areas that you may have been confused about that in the future I can provide more information for you. And then down here under additional resources, there is a resource on the C# properties. So if you guys have any questions or if you run into problems, please let me know. And as you know, for the Code Easy exercises, if you have been, running the exercise, I do recommend doing them in Visual Studio because I think it is easier to debug them there and then copying them over into Code Easy and running them there. If you have run the exercise and you don't understand why it is not scoring, copy the code, paste it into an email, and send it to me. Okay, and basically, if you've done it correctly, but they're just expecting, a little different path to the correct answer, I will just send you basically what I used for scoring. Because my path might not be the same as theirs, but mine scored. So I will send you what I used, and then you will be able to get it to score. If I do see a problem with your code, I will let you know that too. Okay, so don't even hesitate to, ask for help on those because this is supposed to be interactive practice for you. It is not supposed to be something that takes, days and days of your time. Okay, so let me know if you need help and have an awesome week.